How to use YouTube picture-in-picture mode. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can use YouTube picture-in-picture mode. Well, picture-in-picture mode lets you watch YouTube in a floating, movable window while using other apps or browsing the web. This feature shrinks your video so you can multitask easily. So simply open up YouTube first. Now this is mostly available to premium users, but sometimes YouTube will offer you the free service as well. So head into YouTube tab, head into settings on YouTube. From here you'll find these various options. What you want to do is you want to find the picture-in-picture mode from here. So you might find it on general. So if you do not see it on general, head back and look for the other options and you should be able to find it there. So you should generally find it under general or under the playback option. So as you can see down below playback, you want to head into it and you can see picture-in-picture, you want to make sure it is enabled. Now if you have enabled it and if you have the premium plan, then all you got to do is open up the video. Once you open up the video there, you can simply head back while you are watching the video, while you're streaming the video, right? And then it should be opened up in PIP mode, as you can see this way. Now I don't have premium, so I'm still able to use this feature currently. I don't know if the picture-in-picture mode is available for all, but for this, now lately I have been able to use this mode for quite some time, almost a month, without any premium. So you can try that as well and try updating your YouTube. However, if you do have premium, then you don't have to worry about it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.